Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you several models of the sunglasses, and mainly we have two companies from Aliexpress, Aofly and Veithdia. Let's first start with Aofly because we have only one model to unbox. So what we get in the box: specs, pilot model sunglasses, a cloth for cleaning, polarization test. If you have this polarization test, it is very easy to check are they polarized or no. So if you put these sunglasses, you will see a fish appearing there. So you clearly see this fish when you put polarized sunglasses. But if you don't have this polarization test, I will show you different way how you can check are your sunglasses polarized or no. Let's check it. Today everybody have the smartphone, so you just put your sunglasses and look into your smartphone and you should get some like rainy colors. As you can see now there are like different colors, and if you tilt your mobile you will see them even more. And if your sunglasses are not polarized, then you will not have this effect. It will be, display will be like normal, as you can see here. Let's have a quick look of these sunglasses, but we'll go outside and try this model as well as these other sunglasses. So as you can see, they are pretty good looking and they are very light, and this system is working also fine. So this is for this Aofly model, and now we will check this Veithdia or whatever is the name of this company. Let's check what here comes in the box. So here you have the benefits of polarized sunglasses. This is on Chinese. You can use these sunglasses so biking, hiking, camping, fishing, driving, whatever. So this is the box, very nice box comparing to other. We don't have the box like this, hard case. So let's check the sunglasses. Here again we get the polarization test, the cloth for cleaning, very nice, and the sunglasses. So as you can see, this is a bit different model than this previous one, but very similar. I like this kind of model sunglasses. Their brand, they put it here on the sunglasses and also here on the glasses itself and here. So here you can find the details about the dimension of the sunglasses, and here they just say made in China. But this is really amazing quality. This company is really amazing, and they have a lot of other models, so make sure to check the link below. Let's see now these other colors. As you can see, they are all completely the same models, just with different color lenses. For example, these are green color lenses and these are black color lenses. Here also they have different colors. For example, this one is silver and this one is like black gray color. The only thing left is let's go outside and test these sunglasses. As you can see, both sunglasses we did unboxing are a bit large for me. That is why I mostly like the sunglasses I did unboxing before, and that is Bruno Dunn. You can find the link below, because these sunglasses can fit almost every face, and I will show you that now. Welcome back. We are going to try our sunglasses in a bit different environment. As you can see, everything is green around me. So I am now in Serbia and I have little friend Semin. He will demonstrate to you that also the children can wear these sunglasses because the dimensions fit almost every face. So Sema, are they good?
Dobre su, dobre su.
So as I said before, we have help today, and also the Nadia joined us, and as you can see, the sunglasses look very good on their faces. As you can see, they fit almost every face. Even the Nadia is happy with the sunglasses. Are you, Nadia?
Ako vam se svidio ovaj klip, lajkujte, šerujte, subscribeujte. Vidimo se nekom narednih videa.